Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. In this video I'm going to show you my new indicator bullet train V1, and here you can see 83% accuracy and all the things you can here say BTC. And let me show you the results in some other pairs, and I will also show you my auto trading bot. Here you can see this is my auto trading bot, and today just few hours ago I put this bot in the real account, and here you can see my initially balance was uh, but you can my initial balance was good one, but you can use the board with the initial balance of just $150. And here you can see in few hours it's give us a profit of around 15.79 dollar, you can see. Okay, around $16 profit. And here you can see how it is trading. Let me show you in the virtual private server. I put the bot, and just here you can see 5th January today date, and I put the bot here, and here you can see the results. Okay, results is really awesome. And if you need this bot or auto trading bot or forex um, trading view indicator, you can contact me and I will show you. Here you can see this is really awesome one. And let me show you results in some other pairs like gold. Go to the forex market and gold, it will show you the profit. Let me show you. Go to the study tester, and it is giving us a profit uh, 75% accuracy in the gold 1 hour time frame. It will show, let's see, in the 5 minute time frame. Okay, in the 5 minute time frame it is giving accuracy of around 73, you can say 74%. Okay, in the 5 minute time frame. Okay, non-repeated indicator, and the working like awesome. Here you can see this is really awesome, and here you can see this is really awesome. You can see when you will get the signal, it will automatically be show. Let's show the most recent one. Here you can see when you got the signal, it will automatically will draw the take profit 1 and take profit 2 and take profit 3, each and everything it will automatically draw. Okay, let me show you the most recent one. Let me show you. It will also show you the lower low, higher low, each and everything. Okay, and here you can see when you got the signal. Here you can see this was entry point, the blue line, that's mean your entry point. Okay, and the green lines, that mean TP1, TP2, TP3, each and everything here. Okay, 100% non-repeated indicator, and it's really working awesome. Okay, you can see this one. This one is really good one entry. This one is really good one, and this one entry TP1 done. Okay, and here TP1, TP2 and TP3 done. Okay, this one clearly visible, it's a really good indicator, and you can use it and enjoy it. And one more thing here, when the clouds are red, you can go for only sell trade, you will get better accuracy. Okay, and when the clouds are red, you can follow the bearish signal. Here you can see you got this bearish signal, and you got some for the scalping, it's really awesome. Okay, here you can see this one entry is really good one. Okay, and so on, you can see better one. Here you can see bullish signal, and after that you can see, okay, it's a bullish signal, and you can see. Okay, everything is visible clearly. I do not need to describe anything because all the things are clearly visible and much easier, you can see. Okay, let's go to the some of BTC 5 minute time frame. Okay, in the 5 minute time frame, go to the study tester, and it's giving you accuracy of around 77%. Okay, bullet trend V1 indicate. If anyone anyone need this indicator or the auto trading bot, here you can see this is the auto trading bot. Okay, around $16 profit so far in the 1 minute. I'm using gold. Okay, and here you can see it will take the trades with the proper stop loss and take profit. Here you can see take profit and stop loss, and it will not work blindly. It will wait for the, here you can see we are waiting for the signal. When we'll get the buy confirmation, then it will take the buy trades, and when it will get the confirmation of sell trade, it will take the sell trade. Okay, and according to the trend it will take trades. Like the trend is on the buy side, so it is taking only buy trades. Okay, did not focus on sell trade, and will focus only on buy trades when he will get the confirmation of buy signal. Okay, so if anyone need, you can contact me. Let me show my contact details here. These are my contact details. Is anyone need auto trading bot or indicator, trading view indicator, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram. Right one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram, because there are lot of fake Telegram channels, so you need to be aware and do not join any fake Telegram channel. Gmail, simple@gmail.com if you want to contact me on Gmail. Any query or any question you can ask me, and I give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love this as usual. Any further query you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.